I'm Ashley DeYoung with DeYoung Properties, and we're here in our Residence 210 model home with Tawnie Kroll, a registered dietitian nutritionist, and also the creator of Kroll's Korner, a blog dedicated to sharing easy, nutritional, and healthy recipes. So Tawnie, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do?
Sure. So like you said, I am a registered dietitian nutritionist. We say RDN for short.
Okay.
And I have a food blog. So it kind of started as a passion project, just something that I enjoyed doing. I love cooking, baking. My mom raised me in the kitchen, so I just find a great joy in doing things like this, and I turned it into my side business. So it has been great, and I share, like you said, healthful recipes, also things about life, and a little bit about fitness as well.
Okay, and you had mentioned earlier that we can sometimes see you on TV, so what shows are you normally on?
Yes, so KMPH Fox 26, you can catch me every first Thursday of the month, and then I appear also sometimes on KC 24 Sunrise.
Perfect, that's so fun. Yeah. So today, what are you making for us?
So I made a delicious Valentine's Day treat. They are red hot velvet brownies. Typical easy brownie recipe, you just mix your wet with your dry ingredients, the flour, the cocoa powder. These are a red hot brownie, so a little bit of cinnamon in there gives them some great flavor as well. They bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can use a cream cheese frosting and top with nuts. So get a little boost of protein with a dessert going on there, and they're just great.
Yeah, I can't wait to try one. So we're gonna do another batch right now.
I got one ready to go here, so
okay.
We'll get that in the oven.
Perfect. So with our DeYoung kitchens, we feature General Electric stainless steel appliances. Makes it very easy to cook up recipes in your DeYoung home. You were also mentioning it was really nice cooking with this sink. This is a Kohler sink, very large single bowl. So, are we ready to try a bite?
Yes, here we go.
You want to cheers?
Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.